Hi, we just want to do a video on how NFC works. You might have heard it, which it actually stands for Near Field Communication. So if you remember back years ago, there was something that was called Beam. It's generally the same idea. It's where you're going to send something from this phone, one phone to another phone. We're going to use the Moto X and the LG G2 as the test phones for this. There's many things you can do besides this. This is just the file transfer part. You can actually set commands and get little tokens and program those commands with apps to do the certain things that you want to do. So the first thing you need to do is make sure that the NFC is turned on. So in this phone, you go into Share and Connect in the LG and turn on NFC. On the Moto X, you're going to go into your settings. Alright, and then you're going to go to More, and you're going to see right there NFC, and you're going to turn that on. You might not always want to leave it on because it actually does use some battery, so there may be times that you don't want to use it. Okay, so then from there, let's say for example I have a picture on my phone and I want to share that picture. So what I can do then is I can go into my gallery, I can pull up this picture, and it's just a picture of my computer. And we would just take these two phones, hold them back to back, and then it's going to say on my screen touch to beam. So I'll just touch the screen, and then from there on the other phone it'll start downloading. You'll see in the top corner there's that little download thing, and it's downloading that file right now. I don't even have the other phone near it at this point. So it's downloading that file, and it's complete. So now you'll see both phones have the exact same picture on it. Okay. Another thing you can do, and we're gonna go from the reverse, is we're gonna transfer an app from one phone to the other. So this phone does not have Google Finance on it. Right here, you can see there's no Google Finance. That would be under F. And this one does. We just put it on the home screen to make it easier, but it can be anywhere. So you just click on the app that you want to beam. Okay. And then you hold the two screens together. Now that other one's going to say tap to touch to beam. That's going to get done. And then here what it does is it takes me to the Google Play Store. And why would it do that? Because that's where I'm going to be able to download that app. So rather than transferring the app itself, it's basically going to bring me to where I need to go and download that file. Now right now I'm not connected to a network, so it's not actually going to be able to go through, but that app will pop up, and then I'll just hit install. So those are two of the things that you can do with NFC. You may have heard also you could set up either ISIS as well as Google Wallet. Those are two wallet type of things that you can set up your information, and then you would go into a store and you could just tap your phone and it would transfer your credit card information that you've already loaded onto that paying system, and it would allow you to pay using your phone, which would be linked to a credit card. As I mentioned, there's a lot of other things you can do with NFC. You can buy these little NFC chips, and you can program things such as turn the volume down when I put the phone down on this chip. Maybe put one in your house as you're leaving the house, that when you touch that chip it'll turn your volume all the way up. You know, maybe even set it so that it turns on or off Wi-Fi when you come home or you leave. The possibilities are endless. We just want to kind of share with you that technology. Hope this is helpful. If there's anything else that you've used NFC for, please leave a comment and share any other questions you might have. Thanks for watching.